Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with a new video, and yeah, this is the tutorial that I have filmed. I wanted to do something a bit more wearable, should we say, because some of my last ones have been quite out there and like bright and colourful and stuff, so I wanted to do something that, even though this is mega dramatic, it's more like a night out clubbing kind of event makeup if you wanted to really make a dramatic entrance and yeah, make a lasting impression. So if this looks like something you'd enjoy, please keep on watching, and if you do enjoy, please click the like button, leave me a comment, and do please subscribe because I appreciate it very much. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you again for watching because, like I said, I appreciate it very much. But without further ado, let's get into the video because I am pure babbling. Yeah, thank you again. Let's go.
Okay, so to start off today's tutorial, I just took some sellotape and just put this at the end of my eye, just so I've got a clean line when I take it off and it looks nice and neat. And then I just went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and just took the shade Burnt Orange and just started running this through the crease as our transition shade.
Are we fading lovers? We keep wasting colors. Maybe we should let this go. We've fallen apart, still we hold together. We've passed the end, so we chase forever. Guess this is all we know. This feeling's all we know.
And then I just took the shade Realgar and on a denser brush just started working this into my crease and onto my outer corner, and I'm just going to wing it out quite far because this is going to be like a super glam dramatic look. I'm then going to go in with the shade Red Ochre and I'm just going to focus this closer to the lid because I just want to deepen up that crease.
We passed the end, so we chase forever. Guess this is all we know. This feeling's all we know.
I'm then going to take the DECAY Naked 2 palette and I'm just going to take the black in that palette, which is called Blackout, and I'm just going to use this to deepen up the outer V and about halfway on the crease, and I'm going to take it underneath the lower lash line as well. I just use this black because it's a really nice deep dark pigmented black, and yeah, so it's always the one I reach for.
wasted. My heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing.
I'm then just going to go in with the foundation that I just used later on, and I'm just going to use it to cut the crease. I'm not going to take it too high because it's quite a dramatic look as it is. So I'm just going to go over my natural crease slightly, but not taking it too far. And then I'm also just going to set it down with some face powder. This just stops the look going muddy and looking quite messy and making it hard to blend. So yeah, always set down your cut creases. And then I'm going to take the gold shade from that Modern Renaissance palette, which is called Primavera. And I'm just going to wet my brush and then apply it to where we cut the crease.
Follow, you'll be my holy ground. You forever I follow in immortality. I can see you and me.
And then I'm going to go back in with that Blackout shade from the Urban Decay palette and just start blending in that black into that gold shade so that it looks nice and seamless. And you'll see that it blends nicely because I set it down with that powder. And then I'm just going to take this liquid eyeliner pen, which is just one from e.l.f. And I'm just going to draw quite a straight line, and I'm just going to blend it into that dark black shade that we put down. Not winging it out or anything. I'm just going to, you know, blend it out so it looks nice and dramatic. So yeah, like I said, I'm just taking that black shade and I'm just blending it into the end of that eyeliner, just so it looks nice and seamless. And yeah, I just think it makes the look. So yeah, I just think it makes the look a bit better when the eyeliner blends straight into the black shade. I'm then going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade BlackBean, and I'm just going to run this into my waterline, and I am going to bring it down onto my lower lash line as well. And then I'm just going to go back in with that fluffy brush with a little bit of the black and smoke it out. And I'm going to take it quite far down because this is a really glam look, so we're going to take it as far as the sellotape is. And yeah, just smoke it out so it all looks nice and blended and dramatic. And then I'm just going to go in with the Tarte Light Camera Lashes Mascara and just apply a few coats to my top lashes. Taking off the tape in the process, and as you can see, that line is just how we wanted. And then I'm going to apply a few coats of mascara to my lower lashes as well. I'm then going to go in with these ARDELL Wispy lashes, and I didn't actually cut these because I wanted them to look really full and glam, but you are welcome to do that if that is how you like your lashes. But I didn't cut mine, I just glued them straight on, and yes, this is what they look like, and nice and dramatic to go with the eyeshadow. I then went in with that shimmery shade, I think it's called Vermeer, I'm probably pronouncing that really badly, but yeah, just use this to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you very soon.
So this is the finished look. I really hope you all enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please do remember to click the like button, leave me a comment, and remember to subscribe because, you know, it makes me happy and it means you don't miss out on any more videos. So, you know, hopefully if you enjoyed, you want to keep seeing my other ones. So yeah, thanks again for watching. I appreciate it very much. Every single view I get and subscriber, etc, you know, it means a hell of a lot to me. So yeah, thanks again, and I will hopefully see you very soon with a new video. Thanks everyone. Bye.